Hi, Teddy. Teddy's here. We are, today, it's really late at night. We're going to tint these side marker tail light thingy-majigs. We got some clear film from our friends over at Blackout Tinting. Not clear, it's like tint film from our friends at Blackout Tinting. So I'm going to pop these out of my car. On Teddy's Mark 7, which if you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, you should. He has these red side markers that we're going to make darker as well. That was a little bit of a fail. I couldn't find my trim removal tool. It was also like 9:30 at night, so we figured we'd hit it again the next day. I'm waiting on Teddy to show up. In the meantime, I should be able to pop these out without a trim removal tool. If you remember from my LED light video, there is a Phillips head screw up in here. Just push in with one hand here. That loosens the clip back here. Grab it with the other one and pull it out. That's why I couldn't film. I needed 2 hands for it, but we should be able just to pop this right out. We disconnect that harness right there, and we can move this wherever we want. And here he is, Mr. Westside. I have my lights out. Now we're gonna try to get the Mark 7 lights out, which there's not really a video online or anything, but from the internet we know that there's 1, 2, 3 clips. We just have to somehow get in there without scratching the whole car.
There's got to be a clip right there.
There's one.
Oh.
There's 1, maybe 2. Yeah, you could pull on that now. You should be able to. There we go.
Jeez.
3 clips. It's a lot of work for 3 clips.
That was.
Now the second side, Teddy's a professional here. Watch, we're gonna crack it. Leftovers. There's 1. Uh-oh. What was that? Oh, hey.
This one broke, that's
that one broke, okay. Well,
we're good.
Yeah, be gentle. Alright, so our friends at Blackout Tinting gave us this stuff. It's by Lux Wrap, who I've never heard of. I think it's called their Light Wrap. But essentially, it's semi-transparent vinyl. It has the air channels like vinyl, so you don't have to wet apply it, and it stretches just like normal vinyl. So we're gonna go and put that on my taillights, or on my reflector things, and on Teddy's reflector things, and we'll wrap it just like we vinyl wrap anything else. So I might show Teddy how to vinyl wrap things while we're at it. Alright, so we're gonna do one of Teddy's reflectors first, just start simple. There's really nothing crazy to vinyl wrapping. I'm gonna let Teddy actually do the next one, but we're just gonna get this laid down. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the film off. My goal is not to get any dirt underneath, and just pull it tight. That should lay down real nice across here. We actually are gonna pull from this end. The whole thing wrapped up here. Now Teddy's just rolling the edge over. We've already trimmed the vinyl, and that should look really nice from the front. He has the Euro taillights on this thing, so this should match really nice with that. I'm letting Teddy lay the vinyl, but I'm gonna cheat and hold this for him. Take like that. Yeah. Like a line in the middle, and then just work your way out from there. We probably should have a squeegee for this, but it's not the end of the world. And once you get to a line like that, now lift it up from that end. And now pull tight when you're laying it down, yeah. Alright, so this is, I already got one of these done. Actually really simple. I think Teddy's are harder than mine, just because of the sharp angles. This is really nice. You just pull the film over it, wrap it over the edges, and call it a day. But that's the difference between the two. So we'll go ahead and get this one done. Lay down an edge like that. We're over the edge there. Now, like I said before, when you have those lines in the middle, we're just gonna go ahead, pull under there, lift this up, we'll tighten it down. Nice thing about this film, like I said before, is this is actually vinyl film, so it has air channels in it, as opposed to the wet apply stuff that doesn't have air channels. It's a big pain in the butt. Like when I was clear browing my E-codes that I never got to put on the car because of that stupid snowplow. This is much easier to work with. So one trick that I was saying to Teddy, for corners like this, you actually lift up and pull out and then pull down. The film almost wraps itself around the corner, so you don't have to tuck it, and then it's much easier to do the edges that way. So I did the same thing over here on the other light, just lift up, pull down. Little install action. Let's see if the clip's set.
So that was way easier than pulling it out.
It's in?
Yeah, I think so.
That looks really nice. That matches your light up here.
Real well.
That matches like that shade to this shade. Really nice. Yeah, with the Euro taillights and the lowers, that looks really good, dude. Make sure that edge is lined up. There we go. And then all I need to do is grab my Phillips head, which is somewhere. Reach up in here to this guy. Ta-da! There she is. The bottom of the light, Teddy pointed out that because the bottom of the light is like black, it actually matches up really nice with the lowers. I'm not going to tint the uppers, I don't think. I like the nice bright red color. It matches the SQ5 emblem, but I just didn't like drawing attention to that red down low. Alright, well there you have it. Not the greatest lighting. That is the taillight update, or the lower light update. In the shade it looks really, really nice. But overall, I'm really, really happy with it. If you haven't already, make sure to check out Teddy on YouTube. Go leave a comment on his most recent video and tell him to post a new one. Give him some motivation to, you know, get back in the YouTube world. If not, you can follow him on Instagram. It's also on the screen right here. Follow me, IgnitionTube YT on Instagram, and then if you haven't already, there's a subscribe button down below. Make sure to click that. As always, thank you guys for watching. Huge thanks to Dr. M3. Go out there and spread some positivity, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.